And this is how we call chickens in Brazil. Chicken, 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 chicken. Aqui, aqui, aqui. Vem, 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 vem. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Come on, girls, come on. Here, chick, 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 chick. Oh, you too, Charlie.
All right, the big one that counts here. First place goes to 216. 216.
Oh, I suppose it's just opportunity to let go and just have fun and not care what anybody thinks and just do it.
Here, chick, 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 chicken. Here, chick, 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 chickens. Here, chick, chick. Here, chick, chick, chickens. Chickens.